Hey everybody, welcome back. And today we're doing a follow-up on the oil catch can. Mainly is because someone reached out to me and kind of showed me their oil catch can, how much they collected over a period of time. It wasn't very long either. And right now the weather is cold and you should kind of double check your oil catch can and change it more frequently. But I wanted to also see how my oil catch can is doing this time around. And I was very surprised to see that I have a lot more than I was expecting than usual. And so here is the catch can. Let's see if we can get a good look at it. And it's about half full. Maybe not half full. Let's say about a third of the way full. We're gonna pour it out actually into a cup so we can see a better view of it. So here, I'm gonna put this down. It's really watery this time around compared to usually a lot more thicker and oily. And then I guess at the bottom there's still some sludge that's left over. So really nice to see that oil catch can working and collecting stuff. But here is kind of what we're sitting at, and this is probably, I don't know, there's some stuff at the bottom too, maybe just like little frozen particles, who knows. It's been really cold here in Georgia lately. It's been getting down low, but anyways, looks like coffee. Doesn't really stink or anything, kind of just still smells like oil. But this was, I don't know, I think maybe 5,000 miles and in the winter. So definitely check your oil catch cans a little bit more frequently when you guys are if you guys have them installed in the wintertime, just because you never know. The individuals showed me quite a bit more caught in their oil catch can, and I had to double check and see what other people have actually kind of been catching in the wintertime, and in general similar looking oil. And some people catch a significant amount, and I don't really know exactly why this is happening. I tried to research it and find out if there was any information that I can find, but I couldn't really pinpoint a specific reason to why this could be happening, other than potentially when your vehicle's starting up and doing the heating cycle, that possibly in the wintertime that condensation could occur. And so there might be possibly a little bit of moisture in there that's adding to the volume in your oil catch can. However, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe somebody in the comments might know exactly what it is, and I'd really appreciate it if you could let me know, or pinpoint me to an article that I could pull up and put a link down at the bottom. That'd be great as well. So anyways, just a reminder, if you have an oil catch can, change it up frequently and or follow up on it frequently. That way, in the event if you do have a lot of accumulation, it doesn't go back into the engine. So we want to keep all that outside of the engine bay. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next project.